which grows the muscle faster. And that's an issue right now in the industry, because they're growing them leaner, larger, faster. They're gaining like 40, 50 pounds by feeding them this beta agonist. Anyone ever heard of a beta agonist before? Anyone ever hear of glenbuterol? Asthma?
Yeah.
That's a beta agonist. What that does is what? What does it do?
You open up your
It opens up. It works on your muscles of your windpipe and everything to open them all up. Well, when you include it in a feed, what it does is it creates rapid muscle growth and a different metabolism. It enables more muscle growth from the same amount of food. All right. So if you're a cyclist and you take a beta agonist, what happens? You recover a lot faster. So it's a banned substance in the Tour de France. Just one of many.
Is it banned?
Yeah, highly banned, yep. Yeah. It's a beta agonist. So they give it to cattle. And then they grow faster.
You weed that cattle because you test positive.
And now that's what some of those cyclists have said. Oh, it was the beef. It wasn't me. I don't kid. I don't know. I don't know nothing. Meanwhile, let me run up this mountain. Just after yesterday when I did it. Come on. The cheaters. I love cycle racing now. I'm one of those people, I'm like, they cheat, but it's so much fun to watch.
Watch him fall. Topple down together.
Crash like crazy. Fun. Come flying into town. You know they can hit 40 miles an hour on flat ground going into that line. 40. It's like NASCAR except on two metal wheels.
Is this shorter?
Now what I'm taking off here is the plate short ribs. All right? And usually they're not quite this fatty, but these are going to be really good ones. Short ribs are cooked how?
Braised.
Slow cooked braised, right? And you can buy them in a variety of different thicknesses. This is, I don't know. We're going to make a bunch of chunks of fatty stuff that we're going to take apart tomorrow, right? So we'll make this a trim tray. And then here's a chunk for short ribs. Tomorrow you're going to take all these pieces and turn them into basically usable trim. Not this piece, of course. This is short ribs. But there you go, some nice short ribs. These get cut across like this. You break them down. All right. You can do them thin, Korean style. You can do them thicker. You can do all different things, right? I'll just
Bacon, what kind of flavor?
There is no bacon in beef. But if it was pig, yes. How many times am I going to hear that today? Can you make beef bacon? Yes, it tastes like crap. You want to hear it again? I want to make beef? No, it's crap. You know how I know that?
You tried?
No, I didn't try it. I let Emily and the other people try it. I was like, that's going to taste awful. And they're like, no, we're going to do it. It's going to be good. And it was terrible. Really bad.
What's the cut that you said was good for beef jerky in the book?
Beef jerky?
Yeah.
Bottom rail?
Oh, okay.
This right here, this little section that runs through, this is good for pastrami. It's called plate pastrami when you buy it. You probably want one a little leaner than this. But tomorrow we're going to break this down and make it into usable tray. Plop it over there. This piece too. Take this off. And we'll break this in half. And this will become what? More usable trim. the plate is loaded with what? Fat. It's got a little bit of meat, but mostly fat. Especially this one. We'll save that for tomorrow. Save that for tomorrow. We'll save that for tomorrow. And now we have, that's the plate. So what's the value of the plate? That and